This open-air pavilion takes full advantage of its beautiful location, an 18th century farm that was once home to the founder of nearby Louisville. The design emulates the porches of Georgian farmhouses, combining limestone walls with a glulam roof canopy that minimizes visual impact on the landscape while providing unobstructed views. Despite a modest budget, the project presents a high degree of detail. Profiled glulam beams are infilled with secondary framing to create a coffered ceiling that mimics the intertwined branches and sinewy texture of black locust tree bark, the property's namesake. A popular event space, the Pavilion holds musical performances, weddings, and galas for up to 350 people. Thank you to our funding partners, our sustaining partners, and our market development partners. Congratulations to all the 2023 WoodWorks Wood Design Award winners.